Looking at the ETH chart, you see the market moved significantly upward to this very level where I said market is going to move into, because in my last video, I told you the market is going to continue this movement upward. So from here, market moved up to this very point. I was expecting the market to get into the $500 and $550 around this very point, but market do more than that. And at this very area, market is retracing. So what do we have to pay attention to on this very ETH chart? Because a lot of significant momentum on the chart right now. Is this market going to move upward, or we want to say the market come back to the downside? This is what I'm going to be talking about in today's video, and also on Bitcoin 4-hour chart and also on the 1-day chart right here. So watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. And also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. On the 1-day chart, first of all, if you look at this price action, you see the market spiked out into this very point of $49,000. And the market is coming back to the downside. Now, in my last video, I told you that there is a potential divergence that is about coming on the market right now. So if you, from this point up to this very area, and then if you draw the same point on the MACD histogram, from this very point right here on the histogram, the same place with where we have this very area on the chart, to this very point, there is a divergence. And this is a bearish divergence. Why? Because the market connecting from this point to this point is moving upward, but on the indicator is sloping downward, and the market have to come back to the downside. That is why we call this a bearish divergence. And if you look at this, like I told you, the market still have capacity of moving to the upside, but the market have to retrace a little bit before continuation. So that possibility of the market retracing is what I am looking at for right now. So retracement before continuation is very, very possible in the market right now. And like I said, I am still very much bullish on Bitcoin. I am not expecting the market to crash back to the downside. And like I told you, in as much as we are very much above this level of $42,000 and $40,000, then I am still very much bullish on Bitcoin, even though the market come into this very point of $42,000 and $41,000. In as much as we did not break this level of 40K, the market is still going to move to the upside. So pay attention to this potential divergence that is on the chart right now. Like I said, it is a potential divergence. That means it has not been confirmed yet. And for us to confirm this divergence, the MACD have to start formation on the negative side on this very area, for me a red bars, okay, to the downside on the negative side. That is one confirmation, and the other confirmation will be a breakout of a trend line, which I will show you later on the 4-hour chart BTC USDT. So this is what you must have to watch right now. The market have capacity of coming back down a little bit before continuation to the upside. Now, if you are holding Bitcoin, or if you want to buy Bitcoin for the long term, it is still very, very good to buy now. If it drop back down, you buy again. As it drop, is an opportunity to keep buying, because the market is going to move to the upside. Okay, the market is still very, very bullish. And on the 4-hour chart here, you see the market move upward, creating a new high at this very point of 48.9K, and the market come back to the downside. So this is a rejection candle. So after this rejection candle at this very point, what happened on the chart? Because that is very, very important to us. So after every rejection candle, and if you look at this candle right here, it closed almost at the same point at this very area on the chart, and the market is coming back to the downside. One thing very important we need to note on this very chart is the market is coming down, but it has not created a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. So that means that the market still have capacity of moving to the upside. So what I am expecting is this market to come back down a little bit into this very zone of support. So important support where the market moved from in the past at this very area is very critical in the market. And not only that, there is a rejection candle from this very point that aid the market to move upward. If you watch my last video, I told you that the market is going to move upward and that you should look for buy opportunity on Bitcoin, and that is exactly the same thing that happened. Market move upward and then retracement. What I am expecting right now on the immediate short term is the market to come back down a little bit, and then market is going to still move to the upside. Now, this very move that is going to happen in the market may not create a new high anymore. Okay, so you need to be very careful of this very movement that is going to happen in the market. But on the immediate short term, expect this market to move down, and then from here to make the market to move up a little bit. Okay, so this is what I am now paying attention to on the 4-hour chart. And on ETH, if you watch my video, I told you the market is going to move upward into the $2,500 and $2,550. And that is exactly the same thing we see. The market skyrocketed even up to this very point of 2,690. So from this very point, retracement is required. So after every long impulsive move in the market like this, the market have to retrace before continuation. So what I am expecting right now after this impulsive move is a retracement to the downside. So for ETH, pay attention to retracement, and after that retracement, market is going to continue to the upside. And the level you need to pay attention to and watch for retracement to pause is this very area where we see a lot of spike in the market right at this very point. So expect the market to come back down in retracement formation, and then after retracement is continuation to the upside. This is what you must have to watch right now on the chart. And ETH is still good for a buy position. So from here, you look for buy opportunity to the upside because the market still have capacity of moving upward on ETH USDT 4-hour chart. And on the ADA chart, I told you that you should wait for market to create a new high, and there was that possibility. And the exact same thing is happening on the chart right now. Market created a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point, and then now is a retracement for continuation. So it is a good buy for ADA right now, but you don't need to buy where the market is right now. I am still expecting a little move downward into this very area, and then continuation to the upside. So pay attention to a good retracement on the chart. So this very point where I talked to you about will turn support for the market to move upward. So expect this market to come back to the downside for retracement of this very impulsive move. So after this retracement, market is going to move upward. So that is when you need to look for buy opportunity, and the level I am watching for retracement to end is within this area. But you must have to see bullish signs where the market come into this very point of support that will make the market to move to the upside. And this was resistance, and this was resistance as here, as you all know. And right here on Solana moved a little bit, create a new high, higher than it did before, but I am expecting this market to move down a little bit as well. So this very point is a very important level. Market is going to move into this very level of support right at this very point. It was support at this area, support at this point. So from here, market is going to come down a little bit into this area before continuation to the upside. I am expecting Solana to move upward, just like I told you at this very point as well. So from here, market is going to move down, and then from this level, market is going to move upward. So a recap for what you need to pay attention to on this various chart is that for Solana, wait for the market to move down a little bit, and then you look for buy opportunity to the upside. And then for ADA, wait for the market to move to the downside, and then a buy opportunity to the upside. And also on ETH, wait for the market to retrace back down, and then take a buy position or a long position to the upside. And then on BTC, I am expecting the market to come back to the downside. Wait for the market to come back down first of all into this very area. On the 1-day chart, pay attention to this potential divergence, and it is a bearish potential divergence. And I said that the market is going to come back down a little bit before continuation. Moreover, I am still very much bullish on Bitcoin regardless this very retracement. This is what you must have to watch right now on this various chart. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos and technical analysis. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.